Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. This week, we went out to the Spring 2023 Turkey Run Car Show at Daytona International Speedway. There were a lot of awesome cars. Check out the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
The parking's good and full.
So on this end, yeah. And not on that end.
No,
It's early.
it's just after 10.
Yeah. Then I don't think that a ponytail holder would hold it. That's why it needs to be cut. But then if I ever have time to get a haircut anymore. Yeah, this looks like it's very low attendance.
Got my ticket, left or center.
All right.
There's your one for sale. That's a nice one.
Cobra.
Yeah, white stripes. I think I'd have went with gold. I just like the red and gold better.
Cobra, you don't get an option. You get white.
Well, you don't get any color at all and have it custom done. Newbie, huh?
Yeah, it must be.
Yeah.
Hi.
What are we supposed to do with this?
That's our claim our bag.
Oh, okay.
It is 10:11.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Wait. Okay. I should probably put this in my
Or
wallet.
stick it in my phone where we stuck the money.
I don't know that you're gonna get many pictures coming in the gate.
I don't know. Let's sit over here for a minute.
Okay. It's running, but it ain't running wide open. Your fan?
Yeah. I'll pull up over here. Wait a minute. No. It's old enough.
Yeah. Yeah, antique.
I think.
They haven't seen anything back. They may already be over there.
Window up or down for you?
You can leave it down.
All right. Gee, you reckon they got their damn signs out for me?
Mm-hmm. Well, we can ride back out here later and get a good picture.
I got a good picture of it.
Yeah. Tree man.
You have to ride over here anyway.
Mm-hmm. There's nobody over there in club parking. I guess that means they didn't.
Everybody here is outside. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep
Yeah. Then we can go straight across, right?
Yeah.
He needs to look where he's going. They're in the Durango. Jenny's got the purple car, and Howie and Dave are running around in the Hellcat.
Well, that tells me a lot of nothing.
Yeah.
Well, there's guest services.
They got a white tent.
I see a white tent over there.
Yeah. I think that's them. Well, that ain't them. Go
Nope.
on there.
Go straight across?
Yeah, go straight across.
Uh-huh.
We can cruise through here and catch the other cars too. Well, they're not out here.
Yeah, I knew that.
You reckon that she said they were inside the fence?
Well, there's a lot of damn fences around here.
Well, we could just park at handicap parking. Put your blinker on.
Yeah.
Well, there's gas services.
I can't tell from them wheels, though, Ted.
Hi. Can we go straight? What's that say? Late?
Low life.
car parking or car corral only. Car club. Where are you going? Unless we can't get to them.
No, I know how to do it. Just gotta stay away from that intersection.
Yeah, alright.
It's not that hard.
Hey. Alright, so where are you? Hang on. Tell Stevie.
I don't know.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
So where they having people park?
You can park anywhere in here. You can park right there if you want to. Howie's right here.
Yeah. We just need room to be able to unload.
You could probably just turn right here and park it right here in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
Because other people are starting to do it in here.
Yeah. Okay.
And then just unload it, come out this way.
Alright.
Okay?
Yep.
Right here, okay?
Okay.
What do you think? Pull it in, point it that way?
No, point it that way.
Why?
Whatever. Do what you want to do, son. We just need to be able to unload.
I want it pointed out so I can just pull straight out.
Okay, that's fine.
Alright. What do you think?
Okay.
That's good?
Yeah. Ain't nobody out here parking anybody. What?
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.